Hello and welcome to the English School. My name is Philip and I'm from England. We begin then with lesson 1 and we start with the English alphabet. Now the English alphabet consists of 26 letters. The alphabet begins with A and it ends with Z. You may hear that letter pronounced as a Z, particularly in America. But I'm going to teach you the British pronunciations, and I would say the alphabet begins with the letter A and ends with the letter Z. So let's say together now the English alphabet in its correct order, beginning with the letter A and ending with the letter Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So as I said, there are 26 letters in the English alphabet, but there are two forms of each letter. And you can see at the bottom of the screen there are some big letters and some smaller letters. Now the bigger version we call capital letters or uppercase, and the small version we call lowercase. And it's important that you recognize and can write both the uppercase and the lowercase version. You will also notice when you start to read in English that every sentence begins with a capital letter. So practice reading the alphabet now, and as you do so, you're not only going to look at my mouth, how my lips, my tongue, my teeth are used to pronounce these English sounds, but also you need to look at the bottom of the screen to see how this sound is represented as a capital letter and a lowercase letter. So let's practice again now, this time with a rhythm. We will try and read the alphabet in groups of 3 mainly, apart from the V and the W. So practice with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Keep practicing those, guys, and when you're confident with them, you should be able to say the alphabet correctly in the right sequence. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now we have 26 letters in the English alphabet. I've shown you that there is an uppercase and a lowercase version. But we also have two groups of letters within that, and we have the vowels and the consonants. Now I've highlighted the vowels in blue for you to see there. So this is a really good screen now to test yourself reading the English alphabet, and in particular looking at where those 5 vowels come in relation to the alphabet. So the 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So say those together now. A, E, I, O, U. And you can see that those 5 vowels are spaced throughout the alphabet, and every other letter is a consonant. So we have 5 vowels in the English alphabet, so the other 21 letters are referred to as consonants. Vowels and consonants. So we've begun today naming the letters of the alphabet, but these letters have a sound when we speak them that is different from their actual name. Each of these letters represents one or more sounds in spoken English, and that can vary depending on the word, on the letters next to them, and just some peculiarities of the English alphabet. I'd like to mention now phonics, which is going to be a big part of the next series of lessons as I seek to help you read quicker in English. I hope you'll practice the English alphabet. Don't rush this course. It's important that you get the basics right. Know that you can say the alphabet from A to Z. Know that you can name the vowels A, E, I, O and U. Know that you can write both upper and lowercase letters. And this really is the foundation for phonics. And when you can do this, we can move then to learning how each of these letters have at least one sound, because their phonic sound is different to how we name them. And phonics is the quickest way for you to read effectively in English and then develop that reading into speaking, writing and listening in English. Bye bye for now. Do join us again.